Good morning everyone. Today I would like to share with you some fun video all about grafting, and here is a nice saucer magnolia, and I'm going to graft this magnolia onto the other magnolia, which is happened to be Felix magnolia. And stick around and I will show you how to graft this. And here is the supplies. You need pruner tool, which is knife, also a bag. You can use party bags if you like, and some zip tied. So here it is. First of all, you have to just kind of trim one of it off from the main plant, which is the saucer magnolia. I want to graft this onto my main magnolia tree, which is the Felix magnolia. And we are in the winter right now. Nothing's blooming. We just have some buds. Here I'm using my grafting tape. You can find this on Amazon, anywhere. It's pretty cheap. You can stretch it out. Here I'm just using a few inches. Stretch it out and find your ends. And then you just pop out all the buds and stretch out the tape and pull it out, and just basically try to cover up the whole stem. Basically, it just protects your stem while it is recovering from the grafting. After you graft it, it needs to be protected, and once it has enough energy to push out, you can see the tape getting thinner as it pushes out, and the tape does wear out. It does get thin out, so don't worry about suffocating the stem, the Zion. And here it is. Now I'm gonna trim the bottom, just make the bottom a little bit sharp. And that's pretty much it. Again, always clean your tools. Use alcohol to wash it, and then wipe it off. Use 70% of alcohol, which is recommended to take off all the bacteria on your tools. Now that I sharpen my Zion, kind of expose the middle part, find a stem that is the same size or bigger, but they recommend same size, and cut off like the top of it. I say about like 3 inch, 2 to 3 inch or so. Try to find a nice straight one so you can graft on easier, and just clean off your knife. Kind of cut down right in the middle, just about 1 inch, same size as the Zion that you sharpen. And it's very easy to graft magnolia. It seems like the stems are very, very easy to cut into, and also when you sharpen it, it's so easy. So here I am, just pushing it right in between, using my Zion that I sharpen, just push it in right there. So this is so much easier than Entomoya and Jaboticaba trees, plants. Again, I'm pulling out some more strips of the grafting tape. Just basically cover the part where you split, and just cover and protect that area until it heals. It should take about 2 to 3 months, and it should peel off by itself. I usually like to make it really tight so it'll be nice and tight, so it will recover and kind of, heal faster. And here I'm using a bag. I use party bags. I usually like the clear ones so I can actually see how much the growth is improving, how much the plant is improving, and if it's shooting out. And here I'm pulling out zip tied. I usually use two, one to tie the bag and the other one is to tighten the part where I split, where I graft, just so I can reassure myself that it is secure and tight. Some people say don't choke it, don't make it too tight or else you kill it. That can happen, but I think just to be secure, to make sure that it does heal, I usually make it tight. So that's just me. Here's my Felix Magnolia and Saucer Magnolia grafting on the Felix Magnolia. And that's pretty much it. I just cut the ends of the zip tied. That's it, guys. Hopefully you like this grafting. Give it a thumbs up and comment below. Thanks. Bye.